Let me ask you something. If there is no bank, no app, and no one in charge, how do two people confirm and record a transaction? That's the problem blockchain solves. And instead of defining it, let me show you how it actually works. Let us keep this simple. Imagine a small town, no banks, no apps, just people dealing together. So they create a way to track. One person keeps a notebook. He writes everything down. Who paid whom, who still owes, and what is pending. At first, this works. But one day, Alex says, I already paid. Maya says, no, you did not. So they go check the notebook. And the notebook says, Alex still has not paid. But now the real question is, do you trust the notebook or the person who wrote it? If that one entry is wrong, everything breaks. So they change things. Instead of one notebook, now everyone keeps their own copy. Also, something interesting happens. Whenever two people do a deal, they say it out loud. Just like Alex paid Maya 5 coins. Everyone hears it, people pause and write it down. Now it is not just between two people. Everyone knows what happened. Let us take an example. Alex has total 5 coins. He tells Maya, I will pay you 5 coins. Before that settles or gets recorded, he also tells John, I will pay you the same 5 coins. Earlier, this could work because no one else knew, only the notebook. But now, everyone already heard him and everyone is writing it down. So when he tries this twice, the records do not match. Some wrote Maya while some wrote John, and instantly people see the problem. Only one version can survive. That agreement is called consensus. And just like that, you cannot spend the same money twice. But then the town grows. More people, more transactions. Now, too much is happening. People cannot track every small deal and write everything down. So again, problem. To solve this, some people step forward. They volunteer to keep track. These people are called miners, but they do not do it for free. The system rewards them. Now, many people want to do this, but only one can update records. So it becomes a race. Miners try to solve puzzle. It takes effort, it takes time. We will explain this puzzle later. Whoever solves the puzzle first gets to write the next page. He earns the reward. Others check it. If correct, the record is accepted. If not, the record is rejected. No trust, only verification. Now one last thing. Let us say Alex tries to cheat. He goes back to the notebook. Instead of 5 coins, he writes, I paid 10. Now see what happens. That one change creates a problem because after that, more entries were written, all based on earlier date. Now suddenly, things do not add up. The numbers do not match. Page after page, it gets worse. Now, to fix this, Alex must go page by page and rewrite everything. Not just his notebook, he must change everyone else's notebook at the same time before anyone notices. Remember, each new page needed effort. People had to solve puzzles. So now he must redo all that work across many pages, which is practically impossible. That is why once something is written, it is almost impossible to change. So what is blockchain? It is simply this: a shared record no one controls, everyone agrees on. For years, we depended on middlemen, banks, platforms, institutions, not because we wanted to, but because we had no choice. Blockchain changes that. This is not just about money. It can be used for ownership, contracts, identity. Anywhere trust is a problem, this can be used. But this is not magic. It's just good design. You understood this. You can now explain blockchain. And that matters. I will see you in the next one.